The million-dollar question on every crypto investor's mind: can Shiba Inu actually delete a zero from its price? It's a phrase that gets thrown around a lot in the crypto community, but what does it really mean, and how realistic is it for SHIB? Deleting a zero isn't just a catchy slogan, it's a financial milestone that could transform portfolios overnight and make headlines across the world. Imagine a cryptocurrency shedding a zero from its price, turning small bets into life-changing sums. For early investors, this is the dream scenario, a single decimal shift that multiplies their holdings by 10. But behind the excitement, there's a complex web of market forces, investor sentiment, and real-world adoption that all play a role in making this happen. Welcome to Shiba Insights, your guide to understanding the crypto world. Here we break down the trends, the hype, and the hard data so you can make informed decisions in a fast-moving market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, we're here to help you navigate the ups and downs of Shiba Inu and the broader crypto landscape. Today, we're diving deep into Shiba Inu's potential to delete a zero. We'll look at what it would take for SHIB to reach this milestone, the challenges it faces, and the opportunities that could propel it forward. From tokenomics to community initiatives, every factor matters. For SHIB, deleting a zero means multiplying its price by 10. A massive leap that would require billions in new market value. It's not just a simple price move, it's a shift that would demand increased demand, reduced supply, and a surge in investor confidence. This isn't just about numbers, it's about market psychology. When a token like SHIB gains momentum, it can trigger a wave of FOMO, fear of missing out, that brings in new buyers and fuels even more growth. But it can also attract skeptics and short-term traders looking to cash in on the hype. It's a milestone proving a community-driven token can achieve incredible momentum. The Shiba Inu community is one of the most passionate in crypto, and their collective energy has already pushed SHIB to historic highs. But can they do it again? Is Shiba Inu on the verge of another historic run, or is it just hype? We'll separate fact from fiction, looking at the data and the stories driving the conversation. The answer isn't simple, but it's one every investor wants to know. We'll explore fundamental changes, technical signals, and the power of its global community. From new partnerships to ecosystem upgrades, every development could be a catalyst for SHIB's next big move. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of the forces at play, the risks involved, and the potential rewards. Whether you're holding SHIB or just watching from the sidelines, understanding these dynamics is key. Fasten your seatbelts, this is a story you won't want to miss. Let's get into it and uncover whether Shiba Inu can truly delete a zero, and what it would mean for the future of crypto. The crypto market has awakened, led by Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. SHIB's price recently jumped over 200%. This explosive movement grabs attention from all corners. What's causing this surge? A mix of factors. Sometimes, a single influencer's tweet ignites interest. When Bitcoin rises, it often lifts the entire market. SHIB and Doge being affordable attract retail investors. This isn't random luck, it's about momentum and psychology. FOMO kicks in, pushing prices higher. For SHIB and Doge, community-driven momentum is a powerful asset. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu right now is Shibarium, a new blockchain solution that could completely transform the way people use SHIB. For months, the community has been buzzing with anticipation, and for good reason. Shibarium isn't just another upgrade. It's a bold step toward making Shiba Inu more than just a meme coin. Imagine Ethereum's congested roads, where every transaction is like being stuck in rush hour traffic, replaced by a superhighway built just for SHIB users. That's the vision behind Shibarium, a network designed to handle massive traffic with ease, making transactions smoother and more efficient for everyone. Shibarium promises not only faster and cheaper transactions, but also a seamless experience that could rival the best payment systems out there. No more waiting for confirmations or worrying about delays, just quick, reliable transfers at your fingertips. High gas fees have long been a barrier for everyday users, making small transactions almost impossible. Shibarium aims to change that by slashing costs, so sending SHIB is affordable for everyone, whether you're moving a few dollars or a few thousand. With lower fees and faster speeds, Shibarium opens doors for SHIB to become more than just a speculative asset. It could be used for shopping, payments, and even business transactions, making it a real contender in the world of digital finance. Think of it like reducing a coffee shop service fee to just pennies. Suddenly, using SHIB for everyday purchases makes sense, and merchants are more likely to accept it. This makes the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem more accessible and functional, inviting more people to join and participate in the network. For developers, Shibarium is a game changer. They can build apps, games, and services without worrying about high fees eating into their profits or scaring away users. This could spark a wave of innovation within the SHIB community. Ultimately, Shibarium represents a shift from being just a meme coin to becoming a utility-driven ecosystem, where SHIB has real-world uses and value beyond speculation. If Shibarium launches successfully and delivers on its promises, it could propel SHIB to new heights, attracting more users, investors, and developers than ever before. In many ways, Shibarium is the project's biggest promise yet, a chance to redefine what Shiba Inu can be, and to prove that it's here to stay. Crypto charts may seem random, but they tell a story. Every candlestick, every pattern, and every sudden spike is a piece of a much larger puzzle. For traders and investors, reading these charts is like learning a new language, one that can reveal the hidden intentions of the market. The key is to look beyond the noise and focus on the patterns that repeat themselves over time. Right now, analysts are closely watching Shiba Inu's chart, where a rising wedge pattern has formed. This pattern is drawing a lot of attention because it often precedes significant price action. The rising wedge is a classic technical formation, and its appearance can be a signal that something big is about to happen. A rising wedge signals a big move is coming. It's a moment of tension, like the calm before a storm. Traders know that when this pattern appears, volatility is likely to follow, and the market could swing sharply in one direction. The question is, which way will it break? Will the price surge higher, defying expectations, or will it reverse and tumble down? This uncertainty is what makes trading both exciting and risky. Traditionally, a rising wedge is seen as a bearish, reversal pattern. That means, after a period of rising prices, the market could be getting ready to turn lower. Many traders watch for this as a warning sign to take profits or tighten their stop losses. However, in a strong bull market, things don't always go by the book. Sometimes a rising wedge can break to the upside, leading to an explosive rally that catches everyone off guard. This is why context matters so much in technical analysis. Overbought conditions are like a stretched rubber band. Eventually, the tension has to release. When prices climb too quickly, the market becomes vulnerable to sharp corrections, but sometimes that tension can fuel one last burst upward before snapping back. Both SHIB and Doge have shown signs of being overbought after their recent pumps. This means traders are piling in, hoping for more gains, but it also raises the risk of a sudden pullback if sentiment shifts. The key difference between these two coins lies in their support levels. Support is like the safety net beneath the price. If it holds, the asset can bounce back. If it breaks, a deeper drop may follow. SHIB's recent breakout has established new, higher floors. This means that even if the price pulls back, it may find strong buying interest at these new support levels, which could set the stage for another rally. A strong bounce off this new floor would be a bullish signal, suggesting that buyers are still in control and the uptrend could continue. Remember, technical indicators like RSI and MACD are just tools. They help traders gauge momentum and potential turning points, but they're not crystal balls. No indicator can predict the future with certainty. What they do provide are valuable clues about market psychology, how traders are feeling, whether fear or greed is dominating, and where the next big move might come from. A rising wedge doesn't guarantee a price drop. It's a warning, not a prophecy. The market can always surprise us, especially when emotions run high and news headlines drive sudden shifts in sentiment. By understanding these indicators and patterns, you can make more informed decisions. It's about stacking the odds in your favor, not chasing every move. Ultimately, it's about interpreting the market's narrative, piecing together the clues, understanding the context, and staying prepared for whatever comes next. In crypto, community is a powerful force. The SHIB army is a massive, passionate group of supporters. Their collective action impacts SHIB's price and perception. Online petitions demonstrate immense demand for the token. When exchanges list SHIB, it opens the floodgates to new buyers. The community plays a role in token governance and development. This involvement fosters ownership and loyalty. The SHIB army's belief is a powerful economic force. It's the intangible value of Shiba Inu. Everyone wants to know SHIB's future. Analysts predict if Shibarium launches successfully, SHIB could test its all-time high. Some suggest it could finally delete that next zero. Optimistic predictions are based on historical patterns. Skeptics remind us of the risks and colossal supply. Deleting a zero requires massive buying pressure. Shiba Inu's future depends on Shibarium's success and market health. It's a high-stakes game, and the crypto world is watching. The chips will fall where they may. Shiba Inu is part of a larger ecosystem. Bone and Leash play unique roles with dramatic price movements. Bone is the governance token and will be used for Shibarium's gas fees. Its utility gives Bone a clear value proposition. Leash, with a small supply, offers exclusive perks. Understanding these tokens is crucial for the ecosystem's success. A thriving Shibarium boosts demand for Bone. An engaging metaverse increases Leash's value. The success of Bone and Leash benefits SHIB. It's a symbiotic relationship. Keep an eye on these tokens